Good morning, students. See the question number 8 means the last question of the 7.1. In right triangle ABC, in this figure is given already ABC right angle at C. M is a midpoint of the hypotenuse AB. M is a midpoint given, and C joined to M. C joined to M to the point D. Okay, such that DM and the MC are the equal given. Already given in this DM and the MC are the equal, and M is a midpoint of AB, means dividing the equal part. M divide the AB in the equal part. Okay, so now we have to show that the ABC triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. So see here the question given part this is. So first AMC is congruent to BMD, so we have to prove the first this is AMC. So in this, so vertically opposite angles are given, means these two angles are the equal, and then another already given the MC and the DM are the equal. So and the M is a midpoint of AB, therefore the AM and the BM also are the equal. So by the SAS congruence criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so our first proof is done. AMC is congruent to BMD. Then by CPCT, these two are, by the CPCT, AC is equal to BD. By the CPCT, AC is equal to BD. Then if the AC is equal to BD means, and the C is already also for this second one. For this we have to prove that the CBD is a right triangle. CBD means at the B you have to prove here the right triangle. Suppose these two are the parallel and the CD is a transversal, they form the alternate angle. And another the AC means by this we form the AC and the BD are the parallel lines, because they form the alternate angle. Okay, and the AC and the BD are the parallel lines, and the BC is a transversal. Therefore BC is a transversal, and already I explained you in the between the two parallel lines and between the one transversal, the interior co-interior angles, addition between the two co-interior angles is the 180. For the second proof, see here, means BDC plus ACB plus ACB angle is equal to 180. They are the co-interior angles, addition is 180 always. Then they are the supplementary. Then already angle C is a 90 degree, because right angle at C, ABC is a right angle, so substitute here 90 degree, and then is equal to 180. The angle BDC plus 90 degree, shift this 90 this side, so we'll get the angle BDC 180 minus 90, therefore angle BDC is 90 degree. Okay, now we got the second one also. Okay, BDC at a is a right angle, means right angle at D angle DBC angle DBC right angle at B DBC. Okay, so now this angle is a 90 degree. Then third one, DBC is congruent to ACB. You have to prove here DBC means these two triangle, DBC and another triangle is triangle ABC, these two triangle. So in this, the BC and the BC, DBC and the ACB, BC and the BC are the common side. Already we prove here the angle B is 90 degree, and already given the angle C is 90 degree, each of 90 degree. And again by CPCT, by the first proof, we prove here the BD is equal to AC. So by SAS congruence criteria, C properly, BC and BC are the common. We already proved by the CPCT, BD and the AC are the equal, and angle B and angle C each of 90 degree. So by SAS congruence criteria, these two triangles are the congruent. Now fourth one, CM is equal to half of AB. CM, see in this DBC triangle, in this DBC triangle, and already we prove here these two are the congruent. If these two are the congruent, then by CPCT CD and the AB are the equal. CD is equal to AB, and CD already given, the DM and the MC are the equal. So um, suppose we substitute CD is equal to DM plus MC, because CD is a part, DM and the MC is a part of the CD. Okay, already given in the question. So is equal to AB, and given the CM and DM are the equal. Suppose we substitute DM is equal to CM in this. So MC plus MC is equal to AB. So this is the 2 times MC is equal to AB. Shift this to this side, so we'll get the MC or CM is equal to half of AB. So our fourth proof is also done. CM and MC both are same, half of AB. So first question number 8 is done. So now next, before the next exercise means 7.2, one theorem is there: angle opposite to equal sides, sides of the isosceles triangles are the equal.